Frontline doctors exposes criminal conspiracy of US government to block COVID-19 cure. US frontline doctors exposes criminal campaign by tech giants and government agencies to block COVID-19 cure. Last week's explosively successful conference by American Frontline Doctors Group that exposed a massive disinformation campaign against the life-saving ability of hydroxychloroquine to cure the Chinese COVID-19 was totally shut off the internet by the tech giant. The group was in DC July 27 for its White Coat Summit event, which was organized and sponsored by the Tea Party patriot and Rep. Ralph Norman RSC. It kicked off with a full-day agenda and finished up the next day with a second press conference and congressional lobbying. A Facebook representative gave as a vague excuse that the event was taken down for allegedly sharing false information about cures and treatment for COVID-19 as usual. Facebook refused to give any specifics. In reality, the tech companies themselves may be guilty of a crime against humanity and criminal spreading of false information that could have resulted in numerous deaths because infected patients and their physicians were denied crucial life-saving information provided during that event. You will understand the severity of what the tech giant did as you read below some excerpts from conference organizer Dr. Simon Gold. Most of the talks given during the day-long full conference can also be seen. I would strongly recommend viewing what these experts had to say that credibly contradicts the lies and misinformation that the public has been fed for months about hydroxychloroquine and other issues related to the Wuhan virus. This is incredible material and you will likely be quite angry after watching this when you realize how badly the public has been deliberately misled about the issues covered in the talks so that the pharma giant can make billions on their alternative. Far more costly, much less effective meds and vaccines. They would not even be necessary if hydroxychloroquine had not been so badly misrepresented and withheld from doctors and patients since the beginning of the pandemic. The American Frontline Doctors AFD has been restored after also being suddenly shut down by the organization web hosting company to confirm with the social medical censoring. A crucial part of the website is the references page with two exceptional documents. They present well-documented evidence that a hydroxychloroquine protocol given at the right time and with the right dosage will dramatically help most COVID-19 infected patients to rapidly recover from what too many mistakenly think. Thanks to media-generated hysteria is a death sentence. The website also presents the video of the second short press conference that was held in front of the Supreme Court on July 28th. However, the full original press conference held at the end of the first day and the one that was seen by 17 million as a Facebook live stream is much better to watch and can still be seen here, thanks to the OANN network. Even today, when Facebook users attempt to share the video of the AFD press conference, they are confronted with a pop-up such as seen below when a Latin American reader tried to share the video with friends. It forcefully indicates there is information in the post from the board-certified physician who have been treated COVID patients that is misinformation that could cause harm, and that they don't allow false information about COVID-19 that could contribute to physical harm. Facebook has not provided any evidence whatsoever to substantiate these serious false charges. World famous pop star Madonna was also censored by Instagram for posting a video of the frontline doctors. In her post, Madonna praised Dr. Stella Emanuel, the hosting physician, who stated that she has successfully treated 350 COVID-19 patients with hydroxychloroquine. Dr. Emanuel's animated talk was the big hit of the press conference, as she very passionately called to account all those who have been suppressing the use of HCQ to the detriment of the lives of infected patients. Thank you for listening to this news. My viewers, be it hydroxychloroquine or chloroquine or whatever, the only thing I would say to my fellow Nigerians is to just remain focused. See, be obedient, be attentive. Don't care, don't mind whatever is the recommended vaccine for the cure of COVID-19, or whatever is not the cure. What you should do is pay attention to the instruction given to you by the NCDC. I want to tell you something. Whether the NCDC are deceiving you or not, please follow the guidelines. From my observations, I discovered that you don't need too much attention to be cured by this COVID-19. And you don't need to use too much drugs or too much vaccine. Don't need to be administered on you before you will be cured completely from this virus. The only thing is just pay attention, be restricted, and be isolated as instructed. Do what you have been told to do, and you will see yourself being cured. A lot of people have been cured. Forget about whosoever that has discovered the vaccine. All these people are actually looking for money. We understand this country. Believe you me, anyone that will successfully discover this COVID-19 vaccine automatically becomes a very rich person in the country. And that is what all of them are actually working on. For example, who knows? The vaccine discovered by Dr. Stella Emanuel might even be a working vaccine for this COVID-19, but professionals in the field have gone as far as criticizing it. Why? They are criticizing it because they are feeling that this little female doctor is now coming to press them and their professionalism down, understand, by wanting to take over what they are already eyeing. You understand? And that is Nigerians for you and the world. You understand? So it is possible. Look at Bill Gates. He came up with a vaccine, but the world turned down the vaccine. They said they don't want. So why don't you put your hope in God? Because only God is the everlasting vaccine. Do you understand? A lot of people that have been cured today are cured by God. So forget about their vaccines and keep to instructions, and you see all will be well. All right? So please, my viewers, why don't you leave a comment behind? Click on the subscription button as well as bell button to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.